Hi, it's a quick video to show how to add and remove users from the intruder alarm control panel. So this is a Pyronix system, and in order to add new users or staff, or remove any old staff or any other users, you need to be able to log into the manager menu. So if it's in a business context, it's generally the manager of the premises will have a manager code, and then it's him who has the authority to remove and add new users. Not the engineer or the users themselves can't do any changes, so it got to be the manager. So I'm just going to show you how to log into the manager menu. You need to click D first, and you need to enter the code. So I'm just going to move the camera away until I type my manager code number. Once you enter that, it will take you to the set date and time menu, and you can use B and D to scroll through the menu. So let's go into the option to delete a user. So I'm going to click D. Oh, it's actually, sorry, it's not D. It's you need to click no, and I think it's B. Yeah, B and no. Yeah, that's what you need to use to go forward and backwards. So I'm going to click no. Operate user outputs, no. Omit inputs, no. Edit users. That's what we need to log in. So I'm going to click yes. Add a new user. Right, you can select that if you want to add a new one, but let's do a deletion of an existing one, okay? Right, actually, let me add one in first, because I've only got one code number in here, so I don't want to delete that. Let me add a new user, and then I'll show you how to delete it. So, click yes. You can add like up to about 100 users onto one panel, and every time when you click add a user, it will show you the next available empty slot to add a new user. So at the moment in this system, there's only 1 or 2 users in there. So the next empty slot is the number 3. So I'm going to click yes, enter user code. So let's put, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It got to be 6 digits. So I'm going to click yes. Right, that's just for an example, but yeah, you'll have to put a much more secure password. The type, user type, keep that user. You can change that to manager, but you don't want to do that. Keep it as a user if it's for a regular staff. Click yes. User set areas. Generally, if it's a shop, you'll have just the one area. So click yes. And the user set options, so the options you're going to let the user do, it's to set and unset. You don't give any more authority to check logs and do other changes. So just leave it as set, unset. Flexi set, no. Username, so I will put the name as Sarah. Oh, why is that coming Gallagher? Okay, let's just type again. S, next slot, A, R, A, H, Sarah. Right, that's it, that's done. So now it's going into the 4th slot. So if you need to add the 4th user, then that'll be fine. That's the 4th user. But we're not going to add a new 4th user, so that's fine. So let's say we added a new one. Now I'm going to come out of the menu. To come out of the menu, just keep clicking no until you get to the point where it says exit manager menu. Exit manager menu, click yes. Right, please wait, saving data, and then this will go back to the normal screen. And then that's it. So now we're going to log back in again and delete a new code number. So to do that, we're going to click D, enter the manager code. Right, I've done that. I'm going to go through to edit users. So there we are. And add new user. No, we don't add one. So we're going to click no. Delete change users. Yes. Okay, so we do have some tags programmed as well, and then we have some code numbers programmed as well. So the one I added, it was number 3 slot. I'm going to scroll into, not the second one, it was the 3rd one. That's the one I want to delete, because I can recognize from either the name, or if I know the position, then that's fine. So it's Sarah, and then I'm going to click yes. Delete user, yes. Are you sure? Yes. Right, it's deleted. So now if I scroll through this list, there's only one and two. There's not 3 anymore. So that's how you do it. And if you do have any questions on how to adjust any changes or make any changes to your system, and if you are one of our EIS customers, you could contact us directly from the support numbers provided. If you have an alarm system fitted from another company, then you have to contact them for any support. I hope this helps, and yeah, thanks very much.